Hello, fellow organizers from the UK. I am so thrilled to be with you in May in Manchester for the Time for Change APDO conference. My name is Nathalie Bureau from Nathalie Bureau, productivity expert, speaker, and coach, and I am from lovely but cold Canada. It is my 15th year in business. I worked in the past with families, but I've been working solely with small to medium-sized businesses for the past 8 years. There are two topics that I will be presenting to you at conference. The first one is entitled Time is Not Money, 9 Ways to Live Your Life to the Fullest. You were always told that time is money, right? But what if there is more than just money? How do you live a life that allows you to appreciate every moment and gain the true value of time? Through an interactive workshop, you will reflect on the 9 ways that will help you discover the possibilities of living life to the fullest instead of being a simple bystander of your own life. And when you take time to live your life to the fullest, you become a happier person. The second topic is networking efficiently. How do I do that? Let me tell you that 90% of the contracts I get in my business are through networking. This shows you how important that aspect of your own business could be. You've done some networking in the past, but you think it has never paid off. Was that networking efficient? In this workshop, you will be introduced to 6 different aspects to network efficiently. And with today's reality, there will even be a part about online networking. And you will see that I'm a very down-to-earth person who gives practical tips that you can easily implement in your business the very next day. If you can bear with my funny French accent, I'm sure we will have lots of fun. I can't wait to be at the Time for Change APDO conference to learn new things, to share my expertise, and to connect with you. I hope to see you there.